The role of your website is changing. People expect it to be more interesting and engaging and provide them with more useful information than just a replica of your marketing brochure. This is done through providing good and fresh content, and one of the easiest and most effective ways of doing this is through the use of a blog. Blogging is a great way of keeping in contact with your current or potential customers, as they can subscribe to what you write and are notified every time there is something new for them to read or see. WordPress is a great tool for creating a blog and even enables you to get up and running quickly by creating a blog on their website so that you get familiar with blogging and get a feel for it before you invest any time or money in it. So let's take a look at how you can set up a blog with WordPress. To create a blog, you need to go to www.wordpress.com and click on the Sign Up Now button on the right-hand side of the screen. First, you need to enter the address or name that you want to give your blog. This is the web address that people will enter in a browser to view your blog. The most obvious address is to use the name of your business, for example, theplazahotel.wordpress.com. Next, enter in your username, which will automatically default to the same name you chose for your blog address, but you can change this if you wish. Then enter a password and your email address and click on the Sign Up Now button. A confirmation email is then sent to the address you just provided, so go to this email in your inbox and click the link to activate your blog. Your account is now active, and you can now sign in and get started with blogging. Click on the Login button at the top of the screen and enter the username and password you chose when you registered. Select Dashboard from the My Blog menu in the top left-hand corner of the screen. This is the main screen that you will use for maintaining your blog. As you can see, you have a series of menu options down the left-hand side of the screen that give you access to all the features and functionality of WordPress, such as creating blog posts, changing the appearance of your blog, changing settings, and so on. At any time, you can see how your blog looks by clicking on the name of your blog in the top left-hand corner of the screen. Now, what you see here is the standard layout and look used for all new blogs on WordPress. Chances are you're going to want to change this to suit your brand or business. So let's take a look at how you can change the appearance of your blog. Go back to the dashboard by selecting Dashboard from the My Blog menu. And on the left-hand side, select the Appearance menu option. WordPress uses themes to determine the look and feel or design of your blog, as well as the layout of the information, such as the blog posts, menus, and so on. As you can see, the current theme used is called 2010. And as with all themes, there are certain parts of the theme that you can change or customize. For example, for this theme, we can change the image used in the header. Click on the header option. And from here you can either upload your own image for the header, or you can choose from a list of standard images that come with this theme. Select one of the default images and click Save Changes. Then select the Visit Your Site link at the top of the screen to see how it looks. Now, if you want to use your own image, then go back to the previous screen and click Browse. Select the image you want to use and click Upload. If the dimensions of the image are too big for the header, then you are asked to choose the part of the image you want to use. When you're happy with your selection, click Crop and Publish. Once again, select the Visit Your Site link at the top of the screen to see how your blog looks. If you're not happy with how this looks, you can choose to change the entire theme used for your blog. To do this, return to the dashboard and select Themes under the Appearance menu on the left. Now, as you can see, under the current theme, you can browse through a directory of over 100 themes. For each theme, you can see a thumbnail of how the theme looks, and under this there is an Activate and Preview option. Click on the Preview option to see a pop-up image of how your blog will look with this theme applied. Once you have found the theme that you want to use, click on the Activate link. You are then brought to your blog with the new theme applied. And that's it. Now next we want to change the name of your blog that appears at the top of the screen. At the moment, this is set to the same name you would have entered during sign up. To change this, go back to the dashboard and from the left menu select the General option under Settings. Here you can change the site title and the tagline for your blog. So change the site title to whatever you want to appear at the top of your screen. Next, change the tagline to something that describes in a bit more detail what your business or blog is all about. And once you are done, click on Save Changes. Now click on the name of your blog at the top of the screen to see what it looks like. And as you can see, the name of your blog has changed and the tagline you entered appears to the right of this. So that's it. As you can see, WordPress is very easy to use and you can continue changing and tweaking the appearance of your blog until you're completely happy. And once you are, you're then ready to start creating your first blog post.